kindergarten and first grade friends. So for this time where we're learning at home, in art class each week we're going to learn about how to draw different things using basic shapes. If you learn how to look at something and see the basic shapes that make it, you're then able to draw pretty much anything. And what I'm saying is going to make more sense as we continue to practice today. So this week's shape is the oval. Remember, an oval is like a circle that's been stepped on. So we're going to draw lots of ovals today, and we're going to turn it into all sorts of things that our minds can imagine. I'm going to focus on animals today, but if you have ideas that aren't animals, go for it. That's awesome. So let's get started. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil today. I highly recommend a pencil because when you use a pencil, you can erase. I've got my camera set up here. Whee. All right, so I have my paper here. I've got my pencil. I'm actually going to switch and use a wooden pencil. And I'm going to draw an oval on my paper. And I'm just going to start with this one oval. And it's okay if your oval doesn't look exactly like mine. Remember, an oval is just a circle that's been stepped on. And I'm going to look at this oval and I'm going to think to myself, what kinds of things can I create out of this oval? And right now, I'm going to show you a few specific things. But then after the video, my challenge to you is going to be to come up with some ideas that are your very own from your own imagination. So I'm going to start. I'm going to add a circle here inside of my oval and a circle here. And we're going to start with that. So if I start with that, I'm thinking about doing a pig's snout. So I'm going to draw a big circle around my oval so that my oval's kind of in the bottom half of my circle. Then I can add some eyes, maybe even some eyelashes if I want. Do a smile. And pig ears kind of look like little footballs. So I'm going to leave it, I think, just at the pig's body, or pig's head, but if I wanted to draw a body, why not? I'll draw a body. I'm going to draw, I can do another oval or any kind of shape that I want to draw my body really is fine. Maybe some little pig feet. They have little hoofs, so I'm going to do a little upside down V shapes like that. So this is like a rectangle with a V shape in between. And then they got their curly tails, so I can even draw a curlicue to be my pig's tail. And that is how I would draw a pig using just a basic oval. Alright, let's do this again. So if I draw another oval, this time I'm going to draw an oval that's up and down like this. What could I turn this into? Well, my first idea that I was thinking was maybe turning it into a penguin. So penguins, they've got eyes up here, so I can draw a circle, the darker circle inside. And if I'm ever going too fast in the video and you need to catch up, just hit pause and then you can keep going when you're ready to catch up. I'm going to do a V shape for the beak with the rainbow shape on top. And then I'm going to draw this. It's kind of like an oval that connects with this oval. Then I'm going to draw a curved line coming out from the side, turning around and going up. That. And then I need to give the feet. So I'm going to do a curved line connected by a zigzag. And that's a basic penguin shape. I can kind of shade it and fix some of it. If I want to kind of color it in a little bit, I can. Kind of show the dimension a little bit more. There we go. Penguin. So we got a pig, and we have a penguin. Alright, so let's do another one. I'm going to draw an oval, another oval that's going side to side, like this. And I'm going to let my mind think for a second. What could I turn this into? I'm going to draw a crab. So I'm going to start with the eyes of my crab. I'm going to do two sort of curved lines coming up from the top. So 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to do a circles on top of them with little eyeballs like that. Now I need to give my crab some arms. So I'm going to do some more curved lines that are a bit bigger than that, with big U shapes, because my crab's going to have big pinchers. And then I like to connect those with a V shape, like that. But crabs have 6 appendages or legs. So I'm going to do 4 more sets. So I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And I'm going to give these little feet, which are kind of like little incomplete ovals at the bottom. So that's my cute little crab. Maybe I can give him surprise eyebrows and a smile. Awesome. You can take a minute to catch up to this. If you want to color your crab, you can do that. And we're going to do one more oval drawing together, and then you're going to come up with some ideas that are all your own. Okay, so for the last oval that I want to do, let's do a... I'm thinking. Thinking. I think I'm going to do a fish. So I'm going to draw an oval here. I guess I have a lot of aquarium type creatures, but that's okay. And this will be a great idea about how to take a basic shape and then build off of it. So this is just an oval. It's not a fish yet. I need to add a tail. So I'm going to start by starting at the line of my oval and drawing lines that come out from the oval here. And I can make this tail look however I want. For this one, I'm going to do a wavy line, but some fish have spiky tails, some fish have very simple tails. It is up to you. Mine's going to be kind of wavy. It's going to be inspired by my betta fish that I have. So they have kind of wavy tails. So, and I can erase the part of my oval that I no longer need because I've connected the tail to the body. Then what I can do is, starting in the middle of the body, I can draw another fin that comes out from the side. And I can do a fin that comes from the top too. I can design my fish however I want. And if I make a mistake, that's okay. Like, I'm thinking this looks a little bit too rectangular, so I'm gonna go and make it more of a triangle. So you can kind of see I have a triangle happening here. Line. And that's for that fin. Then I'm going to give it an eye and a smile and erase the lines I don't need anymore. So that is my fish. Okay, so I have my pig, my penguin, my crab, and my fish all made using ovals. Yay! So my challenge to you is let's flip our paper over and see if you can draw 4 more ovals. You can turn them any direction you want. Maybe you try to find an animal or an object or something you can draw with an oval going diagonally. Maybe you can find an oval going up and down. Maybe it's sideways. It is up to you. But using the same sort of thoughts that we used in our 4 animals on this side of our paper that we did together, let's see what you can come up with using your very own imagination. You can brainstorm. Maybe it's helpful to get up, take a walk around your house, see if there's anything that inspires you. Inspires means gives you an idea. You can think about all of those different things. So, I'm upside down. Ah! Let me fix it. Rotate. Here I am. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that activity. Next week we're going to use a different kind of shape. I'll keep it a secret which one. But see how many animals, creatures, even just completely made up imaginary things, food items, household objects, anything that you want to draw. See if you can start to see ovals all around you and use ovals to draw those things. I think you guys can do it, and I think it's going to be great. Have so much fun, and I will see y'all next week. Bye!